Managing a construction project involves handling multiple moving parts, such as scheduling, budgets, subcontractors, compliance, and communication. Without the right tools, construction teams can face delays, miscommunications, and cost overruns. That's where Red Team construction software comes in. RedTeam is a comprehensive, cloud-based construction management platform designed specifically for general contractors, project managers, and construction firms. Whether you're managing residential, commercial, or large-scale infrastructure projects, RedTeam offers a centralized system to streamline planning, financial management, bidding, and collaboration. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through RedTeam's key features, explain why it's an excellent choice for construction firms, and provide tips on maximizing its benefits. By the end, you'll have a solid understanding of how Red Team can help you reduce risks, enhance efficiency, and improve project profitability. So, for its key features, first is its project management and scheduling. Red Team provides real time project tracking, task assignment, and milestone management tools to help construction teams stay organized and on schedule. The platform offers Gantt charts and scheduling features to keep projects moving forward smoothly. This reduces project delays by improving coordination and visibility across all stakeholders. Another key feature is the document control and compliance. With Red Team, you can store, organize, and share project documents such as contracts, blueprints, and compliance paperwork. The platform automatically tracks document revisions to ensure teams always have the most updated versions. This enhances document security, minimizes errors, and ensures compliance with construction regulations. Another key feature is its financial management and cost tracking. Red Team seamlessly integrates with QuickBooks and other accounting software, allowing users to track budgets, monitor expenses, and generate invoices directly from the platform. This provides financial transparency and helps contractors maintain profitability by avoiding unexpected cost overruns. Another key feature is the bidding and proposal management. Red Team simplifies the bidding process by allowing contractors to create, send, and compare subcontractor proposals in one place. Users can automate bid requests, analyze pricing, and track responses efficiently. This saves time, ensures accurate bidding, and helps contractors win more profitable projects. Another key feature is the team collaboration and communication. Red Team includes built-in messaging and real-time collaboration tools, making it easy for project managers, contractors, and clients to stay connected. Users can share files, track changes, and update project statuses from the office or the field. This increases efficiency by reducing miscommunication and ensuring project teams stay aligned. Another key feature is the change order management. Construction projects often require modifications due to unexpected conditions or client requests. Red Team allows teams to manage change orders seamlessly, ensuring that cost adjustments and schedule impacts are properly documented. This prevents disputes by keeping a clear record of all project modifications. So, why is Red Team a great choice? Red Team is built specifically for the construction industry, making it a more tailored solution compared to generic project management tools. So it's an all in one construction solution. So, unlike standalone tools, Red Team integrates project planning, financial management, and communication in one platform. It has cloud based accessibility, so teams can access project data from anywhere, whether in the office or on site, using mobile or desktop devices. It has customization and integration. Red Team integrates with QuickBooks, Procore, and other industry software, making it adaptable to different business needs. Also, it has a user-friendly interface. Red Team's dashboard is designed for ease of use, even for contractors with limited technical experience, and of course for its scalability. Whether you're a small contractor or a large construction firm, Red Team scales to support multiple projects and teams. So here are some tips to maximize Red Team. First, you want to leverage your automation. Automate repetitive tasks like bid tracking and invoicing to save time and reduce errors. Another tip is to utilize mobile features. Red Team's mobile friendly interface allows contractors to update project details on site, improving real time decision making. So basically, Red Team is a powerful and comprehensive construction management software that helps contractors and project managers streamline operations, improve communication, and maintain financial control. With its robust set of features, Red Team ensures fewer delays, better budgeting, and more successful project completions. If you're looking for an all in one platform that can handle everything from project scheduling and financial tracking to team collaboration and change orders, Red Team is an excellent choice. So take advantage of its cloud based tools and automation features to make your construction projects more efficient and profitable in 2025 and beyond. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.